Hi everyone, welcome back to Alipetro channel. So today I want to create part 9 is with the front end design. Okay, do you know already when the customer they want to shopping cart from your shop and then they say that they want to add to carts. Okay? And this lesson I create carts model session when we insert into the add to cart and then the shopping cart so the number of quantity of products is with the number page number page but when we click the product over and over again with the same product mean that increase the quantity but the product name not increase. Okay, for example when I click there and the number of shopping carts is once. When I click tools, yes, mean that when I click the cart 2 number create increase number 2. Okay, but product only one. If we add the Lenovo products, yes, with Lenovo products with the different keys product, mean that insert into the card model section. Okay, so the product has two, but the quantity three. Yes, three, and two quantity, and this is the amount that we get from the products. Okay, for example, you can see model and the quantity not the quantity the price 100, but when we add to increase the value to yes multi to multi 100 and 200. Okay, right now we don't waste time, so you can buy agree as or design by yourself step by step, or you can follow me with design front end like this. But when the slideshow create, you might create with the slideshow is 1100, yes, and multi 20 and 200. Okay. Okay, don't waste time step by step to create a front end. So when the customer create cards. Okay, and this is the dynamic menus, yes, with category with the from products, okay, related to product. Okay, don't waste time, follow me step by step. Okay, first create front end controllers. Okay, front ends. But for me, I create already. Yes, I create. So we go tools and just front end controllers. Okay, right now we want to call a front ends function and touch. Okay, so we create right click view and create folders front ends. Okay, so in the front end I want to create the master dot php. So right now we create the HTML here. Right now we go to the WC school to copy the bootstrap. Yes, I use the bootstrap for. Okay. So I need to scroll down and click the get to start. So then I copy all. Refresh here, so we refresh the code. Okay, so when we create already like this, we want to add the icon. So go to the bootstrap again. Okay, place. Right now we create the file icon bootstraps from the Visual School. Okay, I click to the website to and click and want to try to copy code. So I copy the link here. Okay, passcode. Okay, so when we create already like this, right now we want to include first we include the slideshow. Okay, we go to the bootstrap again and to copy the slideshow from the Visual School for. So we go to and slide show the you can copy the Visual School. Okay, but we use the bootstrap. Okay, click the bootstrap form, and right now we copy. Okay, click the bootstrap carousel, and we copy the demo here. I copy. Okay, we copy here, and I pass code. Okay, but we change the carousel like this, so I copy from the style here. We create the style header. We do the style. So I pass. Okay, when we create the already like this, so right now we create the shopping cart. So I create because we want to call here. Okay, and then we create the add menu here. Navigation. Right now we include the menu. We can copy from the layouts the bootstrap before. For example, I copy navigation here. I pass. But the login and the register we create with the customer login, so we don't use the login or and register admin. I copy here. Customer name. Okay, but we include the containers. Yes, but we include the container carousel anymore here. So I use and add the container here. Okay, so when we create like this already, and then okay, but I don't want to use it like this, so I copy. Yes, we cut, and front end we create, and I pass slide the dot php. So we include here slider and I copy navigate bar, right click, and we create double.php. So go to the master dot and I include front end and dot nails. Okay, right, and then we create already. Please go to and create the style CS. Okay, we complete the master page already with the front end. Right now we create the shopping cart. Okay, front end, and I create place, and we create the shop, and in the shopping we create the shopping cart. Shopping cart .php, and then we include the extend layout here. Yes, extend change to the front end and master. Yes, we create already. Please go to front end controller again, and right now we want to call use shop and shopping carts. Copy front end routes. And right now we want to change and touch. Dot in touch. Okay, we refresh again. Shopping cart. So I refresh. We use shopping cart. Okay. shopping cart. Front end designer file. Okay, I refresh. Okay, so when we design it like this, I want to copy the image here because the link there is no image part. So you can copy from download from the internet, and in the e-commerce I create the image and slide. I copy the image, yes, with the PNG and JPGs. Okay, I go to the slide. So right now we want to call the image here, yes, with the test. And the next time we call from the database with the slideshow. Okay, but this is how we create with the start touch. I make dot slider dot. Okay, I copy. Okay, refresh again. So the slideshow. Okay, right now we complete with the slideshow here, and then we continue with the read menu from the database. So we go to, and right now go to the apps and the front ends. Okay, apps and provider and the apps service provider. Okay, in the apps service provider we include the headers, categories, and first view because we want to use share the menus. Okay, and then we create the code to call from the products here. Okay, for example, and but before we create the code from the okay, and then right now we go to the model category. Right now we want to join the products because I want to read with the dynamic product. Okay, you don't include. Please write join here. Okay, when we add the join products already, and the apps which I include the code here. Yeah, when we use min then or you can call the function, call the variable object here category. Okay, right now we copy we use keys. Now right now we go to the navigate. Yes, and the navigate here. Just we include the key. So I copy from the drop down list. Okay, right now I delete here. Okay, we refresh. Okay, right now what we want to change the menu category. So we use for each. Okay, go to the app space and I copy categories. And category name. Yes, refresh page. Okay, category name from the products. Okay, this is the categories. Yes, I have 3 category: computer, mouse, and keyboards. Okay, but when we call it like this, and then I want to relationship with the primary key, then store on the product key and or on the product table foreign keys category. So we want to link. I join already. So we read more for each. See, and the product refer to product that I join already in that I join in model category. Okay, so products dot page. But we want to change. Yes, if there is no the product related with the category, we don't display drop down here. Okay, I change add if and see products count equal 0 and if so please and record the product name. Okay, I refresh. Okay, right now we create the menu from the product related with the category ID. Okay, category ID. And then if there is no, there is no, and we call okay, right now I complete with the navigate from the dynamic menu. And then right now we want to react with the shopping cart. Okay, product. So go to the shopping cart, resource, and the shopping, and click the shopping cart. Right now we react. Deals codes. Okay, when we add already like this, right now we go to the front end controller. So I call apps brothers. Okay, and then just record the product here. Okay, right. Okay, take time design by yourself. Because I want to refresh. Guys, when we add the already is, I go to include more. Okay, so right now we add the ending page. So I add here pagination here. Renders. Okay, and then we create all these. Right now we create the model. Okay, and so we include the search. Okay, search bar on the navigation menu. So we could choose to front end and place the navigation. So I want to add menu here. Okay, right, YSS, so now I close, I refresh again. Okay. Right now we show button search here. Okay, and then we create the page. Okay, shopping carts. So I go to there again. Right now we want to add the shopping carts. Okay, click here. Yeah, if we want to change the primaries, so we refresh again. Okay, and the shopping cart number show here. Primaries. Vacation. Danger. Okay, and this part 9 I complete with the front end, and part 10 we create, and especially we add two cards with the shopping cart. Okay, don't forget to follow me and the next time with the part 10. Okay, you can design by yourself step by step for the front end when the choose shopping cart from the customer. Okay, thank you everybody watching on my video. Say goodbye and follow me in the next time. Okay, goodbye.